My friends, this is a vacuum. This is the wet and dry vacuum that's cordless. We're gonna test this out and see how well it actually works. Probably a day ago, so I'll be curious to see how well this works. We do have a pet, a Sheltie dog. So you can see where it's wet, and you can see that it does work. So we go ahead and press the spray and you can see the water. Keep in mind, you don't have to use a lot because the brush will get wet as you use it. So you don't need a lot and you don't have to press and hold it the whole time. Kind of just press it a little bit, let go. Not open this up. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out. Ew. Ew. We're gonna empty the water because it does suck water up. Oh. In here. And we'll be back. Oh my, look at it self-clean. Ew. Ew. Yes, it does stand upright on its own, for those who are wondering. You do have a charging station right here, so you just simply put the vacuum on here and it charges for you, which is nice. And of course you have room for your accessories. You get a second roller, also a cleaning tool as well. They actually set this up really nice. There's a button here, so you put your hand here, press the button, and easily pull out the reservoir. You just simply slide it back in. Very simple, and if you can see down here, you lift this up. This pulls off the front, which gives you access to the roller inside here as well. When you're done, you just line this up. Place it just like that. Like, they've really designed this really well. If we take a look on the back here, there's gonna be this little handle and a button. You press that, and that allows you to take off the tank from the back. So you have this back tank, and here you pull this tab that shows the water icon. So simple, really designed very well. So for the front tank that we showed you, for this, you just simply pull forward, and when you pull forward, that opens up for cleaning. So super simple for that as well. Okay, so a couple things. You press to turn it on. You press to switch the modes here. It tells you on here, and then you press this when this is in its charging station for self-cleaning. But let's go ahead and start. Has the digital display right on here. So if you look right here, you can see your battery level, which is great. You can press again to turn it off. So this switches from powerful mode to auto mode. Press this again for off. So on, press it once for on, press it once for off. But we got water in. We're gonna test this out, see how this works. We did just vacuum this, so I can see it actually is making the floor shinier. So both modes are working. So you can do your hardwood floors as well. You can go slower if you want. Turn it off.
Power off. Please put back the machine.
I do want to point out the spray button for water is right here. So when you have it on, I'll show you guys an example here. So you press, and I can see, I'll have to show you guys here better, but it also does let you know with the digital display. So if I can show you here, this digital display, when you press it, it shows the water. So it shows a little water icon letting you know that it is in fact. And again, you can use it anywhere. So let's show you guys. And then do cleaning. Press it a little bit, let go. and you can see the line right there where it's getting. So yeah, it's actually pretty nice. You know, the 2-in-1 feature. So we're gonna go ahead and clean, and I'll show you guys if we pick up anything and show you how well it works. Okay, so now that we're done, we're gonna show you guys what it picked up and go. So I have now I'm gonna try and put any debris. Okay, so that's that it picked up. There's self-cleaning mode, and we will be doing that. But look at that water. That's gross. That's nasty. That's what we picked up. So we're gonna put this back in. Here's this. There's a filter in here as well. So this piece has a filter, and you can see what it picked up. So we're gonna clean that quickly. Just put that there, drop it back in. You can see how fast this is. Now we're gonna charge it and do self-cleaning mode. We can actually take a look here. Oh my, look at this. Look at that. So yeah, we're gonna now do self-cleaning mode, and then I'll show you guys more. This is the charging station. Let's see what happens when you connect it.
Start charging.
Start charging. Okay, now on here we're gonna press the button. So now it's self-cleaning. And you do that, it says you can do it once you have it on the charging station. You can do the self-cleaning. So now we'll just let it do its thing. Oh my goodness. If you're self-cleaning, make sure there's water in the reservoir in the back if you are self-cleaning. Wow, that's gross. Okay, so it said self-cleaning finish. Now it's charging. So we're gonna take this out and show you guys. Now that it's done that, oh my, here we go. Let's go show you. So we're gonna empty this water that we showed you already. Okay, so now what does self-cleaning look like? Well, let's find out. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Ooh, some nasty stuff on here. Nasty, nasty stuff. Let's see if the filter has anything on it. Nope, that's good. So we'll leave it like that. Ooh, my. Whoops. Ooh, that's so gross. So, yeah. That's it. We'll use the vacuum and actually suck that water up, so. But, yeah. pretty gross. I would say this thing's working.